Welcome back, Beowulf Nation. I'm Beowulf, back with another video. Already got launched. Gonna take out my 2019 Yamaha GP1800R. It now has the Riva Racing Stage 1 kit. So it takes them from 67 miles per hour all the way up to 77 miles per hour. Load the tune, if you saw the last video, did a 10-hour oil change on it, taking it out. Cool thing is, because my mom's in town from Illinois, she's been out here a couple times in the last year, me moving out here where I've had all different, you know, my past Sea-Doos or anything. I've never taken her out on the river, and I figured, hey, take her out today out in the GP1800R with the tune. Now it's gonna be super fast, and then the plan is to take her out tomorrow in the RXP-X 300 that now is officially a Riva Racing Stage 2 kit. So this thing will be doing like over 80 miles per hour. We're gonna take her out on that and see her reaction. Let's see what my mom's opinion, what one she likes more on speed. It's gonna be the Yamaha or the Sea-Doo. So let's get this video going. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. If you're already a subscriber, make sure you hit the bell notifications, get notified any upload right when it gets uploaded. Let's get this video going. It turned out to be a nice day with all this rain predicted for this whole next, even another week. It's so aggravating. So let's get this video rolling. All right, so I got my mom on my 2019 Yamaha GP1800R. Ma, you ready to do this?
Yeah, it's the first time doing it. I'm really excited.
When we used to have that one Yamaha Waverunner, you never really went on it much.
No, I didn't.
Well, this one's gonna be really fast. It has the Riva Stage 1 kit, so it takes this thing from 67 miles per hour all the way up to 77 miles per hour. You ready to do 77 miles per hour?
I guess.
So what's gonna happen? Clear ways this way, and hopefully there's not a lot of people in the water, so we can try to see how fast we can get this thing up to. And the goal is not to throw my mom off the jet ski.
That's a great goal. I'm glad you have that as a goal.
Yeah, my goal is not to throw you off. So,
but at least I got these straps so you can pull me back in.
Yeah, I got that. She got the Jet Tribe life vest on, and she falls off. Just grab the strap like that and pull her right back on. ridiculous. guys enjoyed this video. Man, it's awesome to finally have the first huge mod unlocking my 2019 Yamaha GP1800R is unlocked, and it's just the start of the mods. But it's one big step to all the future ones that is mandatory to get done. It's a lot different than like when you're modifying a Sea-Doo, like a 300. You have the scum that Riva sells, and they got their intake. This, to get anything going, you have to do the reflash. So it's kind of different, but I'm so happy. And you can feel, I can feel a difference. It's a lot more powerful. You won't see like the hugest speed until you're like probably less than half a tank of gas. This thing holds over 18 gallons of fuel, so it's quite a bit. But man, it's running and feeling good. The next thing is I really want to do exhaust. I really want to do exhaust on this thing next to really hear it. I don't know if I'm going to do a through haul one, because you would have to cut right up in here and then you lose one of your tie downs, which I'm not cool about doing, especially with all the trailing, and I want to travel a lot too with this. So I'm looking at two options of what I'm going to do is exhaust on this, so we start hearing it, because once you kind of go into intake on this, you have to do the intake. There's this thing you have to do with the throttle body and doing the intercooler is like one whole step into there, and I kind of want to do all that at once, because actually you kind of have to do it all at once. That's kind of, and then there's like things to make it cool better too. There's just, oh man, there's a whole list of stuff. It's awesome. There's so much different things to get. I saw like a carbon fiber rear seat, which it equals to the intake, bringing like fresh air in or out the back. That looks pretty cool. I've seen a bunch of stuff, so it's just gonna whole game plan. Let's go see what my mom's reaction, what she thought of this, because she's never done over like 70 miles per hour on a jet ski.
Hey.
So what do you think?
It was really awesome. I really had a good time.
Doing over like, I think we did it like 75 or something.
It was really fun. I really enjoyed it.
Fast on a jet ski, huh?
Really fast. I'm just glad you slowed down a little bit when we were going.
Hey, the waves, man. You're flying around, but it's cool to take you out on this.
It was really a lot of fun. The best fun I've had in a long time.
Cool. All right, so we'll see the official of what she has to say once I get her on this. I tried convincing my mom to take out one of my skis, and she's never, I don't think she's ever done it. And it's kind of hard on somebody who really doesn't know what they're doing and taking them out on a really fast jet ski. So I was trying to get her to ride one of them, and I ride the other one, but she's not cool doing that. So at least I got her on the back. She got to enjoy what it feels like, and then definitely the riding experience is going to be a lot different being from a 2-seater to a 3-seater. So the 3-seater, she had a lot of room to sit. This is like you only got this one little section, but the good thing, you have a good area to hold on right there. But it'll be interesting how it'll be riding, especially the thing will be faster than the last time it went out. So pretty stoked with that. But if you're new to the channel, like I said before, hit the subscribe button. If you're already a subscriber, hit that bell notification. Make sure to give me a follow on Instagram. It's @IAM_Beowulf. Make sure to check out some of the I Am Beowulf merch. We got the hats, tank tops, hoodies, t-shirts. Also do some GP1800R t-shirts coming soon. I know people have been asking. It's in the works. Everything takes time. It doesn't just happen overnight. But yeah, there's quite a bit of GP1800R stuff coming, and some new RXP-X stuff too that I'm gonna try to test different waters and different kind of stuff, and that's what's kind of in the works. But also too, make sure you check out my Amazon store. It's amazon.com/shop. I Am Beowulf. Check it out. I have all new stuff listed all the time, but it has like everything. Like you want those straps like that, boom, it's on there. You want the tie downs, boom, it's on there. You want like the style swimming trunks, boom, it's on there. Everything. Sunglasses, you name it. Cleaning supplies, everything's on there. So make sure you guys check that out. Be driven to win. Like you saw in this video, every day is Earth Day. You see garbage, I don't care where it is, pick it up, take care of it. Like that metal beer bottle. I mean, who does that? It's upsetting. But you know, good, did my good deed going out there to clean up whatever I could see. But that's the end of the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, Beowulf Nation.